Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. It's Masha, and in today's video I got another unboxing and try on haul, and it will be a Zara try on haul. And I got these two packages that I'm gonna show you in a minute because it's full. Oh my goodness. It will be Zara unboxing and try on haul. I got these two packages where I have some stuff for fall season, and there are some coats, some jackets, not jackets but blazers, pants, even I got some shoes. So if you're curious, just stay with me and keep watching. Okay, and I think we'll start off with this small package that I received, and I'm gonna put this one right here on the floor. And first of all, I want to share with you guys that I got the new mic. So I didn't have any mic before, but now I got this one, and I hope my videos will be better quality and you guys enjoy them. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the audio in this video. And for me, it's pretty exciting to film this video like that with the mic and the new location too, so you can see my living room a little bit. But let's get into our unboxing and try on haul. And this little package from Zara, I'm gonna open. I already cut everything because I'm a big cutter, you guys, and that's what I see right here. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so inside of this package, I think you guys can see it's this little coat that I got from Zara. Yeah, everything is from Zara, obviously. Now I'm so scared to touch this mic, so it's not making the noise. I hope so. And you can see that this coat looks like this. It's a long line coat in this pretty color. It's a black and white. I really wanted to get this black and white. Normally I do not really like the color, this kind of print, but for this season I really wanted to create lots of black and white looks. I think it will look very stylish if you put something white, like total white underneath, and throw this coat on top. And for me, it feels like a pretty good quality. You can see that it's long line coat. It has long sleeves. I just wanted to give you an idea how I wanted to style this coat with a different kind of prints. So for example, if you wear pants with a big print, like I'll find some pictures to show you, and you can wear, because this coat has two, it has small and a big print, so you can wear a top or a sweater using this small little print. And to balance the look out, you can throw this coat on top and it will look amazing, stylish. And you can go like that to the park, or maybe to the cafe, or to get a cup of coffee or something. Yeah, let me know where you'll go like that too. This is how the coat looks like. I really like it because it's really warm. I'm roasting right now, and this is how it looks from the entire my outfit. And this is from the back. I hope you guys can see. I put it on top of my blazer, which is which has more volume, so which means that you can put it on very chunky sweaters or blazers and feel warm and nice. Yeah, I like it. You can create tons of different outfits with this coat. And the length is amazing too. Let's move on to the next package because I do not have anything in this box anymore. Okay, so for this package, you guys, we'll open it now. Okay, so in the first, I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can also see it. So for the first one I see is this little black bag. It's not a bag, it's more of like a case for your phone or your credit cards. I like it because it looks super stylish. It's still trendy just to wear it over your coat, over your jackets when you go for a walk, when you go to the cafe and you don't want to carry any of the big or even the crossbody bags. This one feels like a very nice and stylish piece, so you can put some money right here, some cards right here, and you can even put your cell phone from the back just like that. So it fits pretty nice. And just put this one on top and just go like that because it looks super stylish, super fun. You just I got this one to wear over my coats, my blazers, my jean jacket, my leather jacket, and I really like the quality. It looks stylish, it looks nice, it doesn't look cheap, it doesn't smell like you know, like bad leather or something. Of course, it's a fake leather. It's in a black color, which means that it goes with pretty much everything, anything. You can wear it with the color coats, like bright color coats, or maybe the black and white coats. Yeah, you know, guys, that it goes with anything, everything. And I think you can even put it like that in your hand and just go like that because it's pretty convenient, I think. I really wanted to get this one for a long time, so I got it now. Okay, and as you can see, guys, the next one, I'm in love with these pants. The color of these pants are so amazing, and the fit of it is so beautiful too. But on the picture, it was really more of like a deeper green, like a forest green, but now I see like it's a little bit lighter than I expected. But anyway, I really love it. But they're high-waisted. I really like the quality. They have these 2 pockets from the side, and they have this on the bottoms of the pants, so you can tell that they have these 2 rolls, kind of. They very straight pants, so they do not have any narrows, like narrow details, which will be lengthening your legs a little bit. And also, I like the lining from the inside. It's in this purple color. So the quality of these are amazing, and I got these ones to wear with the blazer too, but we'll find it somewhere there, guys. Okay. So for the next one I see is the pants again. It's pants in the cream color, so they should be high-waisted. On the bottoms they have this cute little button which makes your leg look a little bit more elegant because it will show your ankle. If you have elegant ankle, thin one, and if you wear some high heels, it will create a lighter outfit, and it will create more of a feeling like, you know, like a barefoot. I love the color of these pants. Also, I like the fit of it. It was really nice in the picture, but I worry a little bit that it be see-through because I see the pockets, especially on the light outside. But I'll let you know. So I got these pants in extra small, and they were $69. And I got those to wear with the jacket that I received recently. Is in this box. It should be there, I hope. So if you work in the office, it'll go amazing because you can create lots of different outfits with this, and you can just throw on some blouse or even white jacket to create total white outfit, or it will be more of a total cream outfit, and throw on some boots or high heels, so like a nude color. You will be always stylish if you wear a total cream outfit or a total white outfit. Those are always my go-to choices. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to, yeah, this is the jacket. Blazer in the green color from the same collection, like those pants. Are they? Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are from the same thing. I think so. Yeah, they look like it from the same thing, but I'm not sure now. The quality of this blazer is amazing. It's soft, it's nice, and it will be very warm during fall time. It's a double-breasted jacket. Why I call it always jacket? It's a double-breasted blazer with the 4 buttons, long lined sleeves with these 3 little buttons on the sleeve. And also it has this purple linen from the inside, which looks so stylish and so cool. For those who work in the office, I find it pretty stylish when you wear a 2-piece set in the same color. It will make you look longer and it always looks very stylish, especially for fall when it's cold outside and you want to wear something warmer. You can always throw on some coat in the white color or maybe in the even orange color just to create more of a contrasting look. Even red color will go nice too. But if you do not have those colorful options, I would go with the black. So you can always wear some black heels or even shoes and just some black bag and you're good to go. I like those pants. This is how they look from the front. They're a little bit big for me, but this is the smaller size. Maybe I'll have to alterate them a little bit just to make it right, but this is how they look from the back. Pretty fun and cool. I like the fit. This is how blazer look like. It's not fitted, it's very loose from the back, and if you want you can just make it like this, and this is sleeves that I usually roll up my sleeves. Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, and the next one is this black lace crop top. So I got this one to wear underneath this blazer, this green one. And I always love how the lace crop top looks under the blazer. Of course, this option is not for office. This one is more of a, like when you go to the cafe or maybe you go to the club or to the bar somewhere with your girlfriends or your husband, your boyfriend, and you're wearing this black little crop top underneath your blazer, which is revealing a little bit of your body, and it always looks super stylish, sexy, and amazing, guys. This one in medium size because they did not have a small size or extra small. They only had a medium size. Hopefully they will restock it again and maybe I'll get my size. This one in a medium size, it doesn't feel big, it doesn't feel too big, it feels just right. And I like the fit of the blazer too. I'm gonna show you from the back, from the side. So this is how it looks. Okay, you guys, and the next one, as you can tell, is this jacket in the cream color that I can wear with the pants that I shown you previously. And that's how I wanted to wear this jacket. And this jacket is a little bit different from that green one that I shown you previously because it's cropped. I really wanted to get the crop jacket. I think it will look stylish because pants are very high-waisted and the jacket will be cropped. It has the padded shoulders. So if you are not a big fan or you have pretty massive shoulders, then you don't want to wear this one. But I like it, and it's also double-breasted, but it has one button only. And the quality of this one is very good too. It's like a suit quality, and I got this one to create the outfit that I'll show you in my Instagram, guys. Go to my Instagram and subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to grow my Instagram, my YouTube channel, my everything. So if you guys support me, then I'll be super happy. So if you do. As you can tell, I already put everything together. And this is pants and the jacket on top, cropped. I put the jacket inside my pants because I like it this way. And this is how pants looks from the back. I hope you guys can see. I'm gonna come a little bit closer so you can see. And I really like the ankle. It make them look like a sporty look, but at the same time they're made of the suit fabric. And I'll show you blazer from the closer look. So this is sleeves. They're like a bell sleeve a little bit. I don't like it that much. I'm not a huge fan of the bell sleeves, and I want to show you how it looks without tacking blazer in. So this is how it looks without it, and this is how it looks from the back. Again, the same problem occurs with the pants. They are slightly too big for me, so I want to make them a little bit smaller like this. It feels like a little bit too big for me too, the blazer, but I think this is how it's supposed to be. What do you guys think? Should I keep it or should I return it. So a couple more items still left in the box, but before we move on to those, I wanted to tell you guys that if you get inspired by any of my outfits or any ideas that I'm explaining to you right now in this video, or any items that I got in this video, feel free to create an outfit, take a picture of it, post it on Instagram, tag me. It's Masha Beauty 1. Comment under this video with your Instagram name. I will select the best outfit that I really liked, and the winner will get a t-shirt from my collection. And we're moving on to the next piece, and the next piece are these cute shoes. I really wanted to get these ones because they have this cute style, so you can tell that they're different from the shoes, and I really wanted those especially. And these ones are very good for fall when it's not already hot and it's not the fall yet, like completely not raining outside that much. And why it's good, I'll explain. Because it's closing most of your feet and it keep it safe, because the rain cannot go inside or dirt cannot go inside, nothing. So if you walk in the dirty places or some rainy places, and moreover it has this very comfortable heel. So for me it's super comfortable because it's not high, it's not low, and it's very comfortable heel. And the quality of these shoes are pretty good. I think it's not leather in this time, but it's pretty good. And I got mine in 38 size. It's a 7.5, so I'll try it on and let you know if it fits well or it doesn't. But those will go with everything because they're white color. You can wear them with the white, total white outfit, or you can wear it with the total black outfit, or with a black coat for fall, or with a leather jacket, with the every single color, that even with jeans will go amazing too. Yeah, I love those. And I also got, look at that, oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with belts, and that's why I decided to get this one, because I do not have a gold belt in my wardrobe yet. I love accessories, and because I have lots of accessories that I usually wear, guys. It's earrings, it's rings, mainly. I love statement earrings and I like rings, and I have lots of gold color earrings which are statements, so which goes nice together with this gold color of this belt. It was $30, it was $29. I'm looking at the size is 32, and it was $29, and I can wear this one over my jackets, my blazers, coats. So to make it, or to highlight your waist, you can wear this one over the coat. So here's the belt, and I love when they do this. I can't even wear it properly to show you, and for myself I can't even wear it properly because this is the tag right here, right on the thing where I have to pull this inside. Okay, so Zara is pretty smart, and I mean, it's not only Zara's fault, but everybody does it. So this is how it looks. I really like the color. Maybe I'm gonna keep it, maybe not, I'm not sure, because I can't wear it properly. I can't try it on properly too, but I hope you guys can tell that it's pretty. I hope you enjoyed my Zara unboxing and try on haul. Comment below what was your favorite piece from this haul. Don't forget to participate in my giveaway by commenting below with your Instagram name. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.